Home Inspector Test Questions and Answers updated for 2026 Pass Exam Fast today. Question 1. Collar ties are installed in roof framing to: Option A, prevent purlin sag. Option B, provide lateral support for the top of the walls. Option C, support the end walls of gable roofs. Option D, prevent rafters from sagging. The correct answer is option D, prevent rafters from sagging. Prevent rafters from sagging. Question 2. A roof truss that has been cut in order to accommodate a skylight can be resupported by: Option A, a skilled carpenter. Option B, special engineering design. Option C, doubling trusses on either side of the skylight opening. Option D, no special consideration necessary. The correct answer is option B, special engineering design. Special engineering design. Question 3. Which of the following is the least common spacing for rafters, roof joists and ceiling joists? Option A, 12 inches. Option B, 20 inches. Option C, 24 inches. Option D, 36 inches. The correct answer is option D, 36 inches. 36 inches. Question 4. While inspecting the exterior of the house, you notice that there is a gap between the soffit and the exterior wall. The gap is wider near the midpoint of the wall and close to nothing at the corners. Which of the following conditions would you suspect? Option A, the rafters are not adequately attached at the ridge boards. Option B, the purlins are not continuous and are inadequately spliced at the joints. Option C, the rafters are resting on toes, rather than heels. Option D, the ceiling joists are not tying opposing rafter bottoms together properly. The correct answer is option D, the ceiling joists are not tying opposing rafter bottoms together properly. The ceiling joists are not tying opposing rafter bottoms together properly. Question 5. All of the following perform essentially the same function as a knee wall except: Option A, purlins. Option B, struts. Option C, strongbacks. Option D, birds' mouths. The correct answer is option A, purlins. Birds' mouths. Question 6. What is a gusset plate used for in a roof structure? Option A, it connects members of a truss together. Option B, a gusset plate is used only in earthquake-prone and hurricane-prone areas. Option C, it connects edges of roof sheeting together when they do not bear directly on top of a rafter or truss. Option D, it connects the purlins to the rafters. The correct answer is option A, it connects members of a truss together. It connects members of a truss together. Question 7. While inspecting the attic of a row house built in the mid-1970s, you notice that the plywood next to the party wall is delaminating and has a white powder underneath. Which of the following might explain this? Option A, the attic is much colder near the party walls, and there is almost always more condensation on the underside of the sheathing in this area. Option B, this condition is an example of pyrolysis, where the sheathing in contact with the masonry party wall deteriorates prematurely. Option C, the plywood next to the party wall is probably FRT plywood. FRT plywood has been found to deteriorate prematurely. Option D, this type of plywood has oriented strands and can only be installed in one direction. Often the last piece is installed in the wrong direction to make it fit between the party walls. The correct answer is option A, the attic is much colder near the party walls, and there is almost always more condensation on the underside of the sheathing in this area. The plywood next to the party wall is probably FRT plywood. FRT plywood has been found to deteriorate prematurely. Question 8. The webs of a truss. Option A, are compression members. Option B, are tension members. Option C, may be in compression or tension. Option D, have no load on them. The correct answer is option A, are compression members. May be in compression or tension. Question 9. For a house with wood frame walls, the roof structure can be nailed directly to the wall structure. If the exterior walls are solid masonry, how is the roof framing attached to the walls? Option A, a wood sill is bolted to the top of the wall, and the roof framing is nailed to this sill. Option B, each rafter is bolted to the masonry wall with bolts that are about 1/2 inch in diameter and about 3½ inches long. Option C, if the exterior walls are solid masonry, the roof structure and simply rest on top of the wall. There is no need to secure them as long as the bottoms of opposing rafters are tied together to prevent rafter spreading. Option D, it is attached by joist hangers and concrete nails. The correct answer is option A, a wood sill is bolted to the top of the wall, and the roof framing is nailed to this sill. A wood sill is bolted to the top of the wall, and the roof framing is nailed to this sill.